Okay, hello guys, this is the tutorial to fix the problem with the joystick in Horizon Forbidden West. You can see that the diagonal joystick, the southwest diagonal button is not working at all. The other way is working, but the southwest diagonal is not working. So the fix is simple. You just have to download the apps. uh, I already put the link below in the description. You just have to click it and download it. After that, you can just, I already downloaded it. So after you download it, just extract the file, then you just have to install it. Yes. Next. Just click next, and wait for it. Oh, just skip this. And launch the input mapper. Okay. I'll set it from the start. I already made the profile here. So I just have to delete this profile. So if you're new user of input mapper, you you will see this kind of screen. No profiles here. Just create a profile. Just name it as you want. Horizon Forbidden West, or just name it everything you like. Now, this is the setting. Just choose this and click finish. And the input device, you can pick what kind of device that you use. For me, I use this 360 controller, and it's done. I guess it's done. And just this profile for player one. Just ignore this, and then you just try to use it, and it's working. That's all. Simple, and have fun.